Welcome to the iSmartOffice Clinic app, your all-in-one mobile companion for managing your clinic operations, right from your phone. The Scan Patient QR feature is where the iSmartOffice ecosystem truly shines, bridging the patient's phone with your clinic in real time. From the dashboard, tap the Scan Patient QR button. This opens your device's camera, ready to scan. First use case, confirming a patient visit. When a patient arrives at your clinic, they'll open their iSmartOffice patient app and show a QR code on their screen, a check-in code tied to their appointment. Point your camera at their QR code. The app will read the patient's details instantly and present a confirm visit dialog, showing the patient's name, clinic name, appointment date and time, and their procedure code. Tap confirm to mark the patient as checked in. This immediately updates the appointment status to confirmed in the iSmartOffice Clinic web portal, no manual updates needed. Second use case, validating a best deal coupon. If a patient presents a best deal coupon from their patient app, a promotional deal they purchased through the iSmartOffice platform, you can validate it using the same Scan Patient QR button. Scan their best deal QR code. A Confirm Best Deal dialog will appear, showing the deal name, patient name, clinic, value, and validity date. Tap Confirm to redeem the coupon, or decline if it cannot be honored. If the QR code is scanned at the wrong clinic, the app will display a Not the Right Clinic alert, preventing any errors.